So these nests, these trees that they're using to be a large tree in order to sustain those large nests.
And from here, do they migrate to Florida then, or?
From here, do they migrate to Florida? You know, this is what we call an opportunistic bird. So their main objective in life is really to save as much energy as possible. So you don't want to move if you don't have to. So as long as there's food in the area, you're going to stick around, you're going to stay. And that's what makes Wabasha such a wonderful area here, is because we have a big floating buffet right out our front door. And this floating buffet really stays open all year. So there's a 5-mile stretch of the Mississippi that will actually stay open, because just north of us we have Lake Pepin and the Chippewa River. Because those two big bodies of water meeting, we have a very narrow channel that goes right by Wabasha, keeps that water moving really fast, so that water stays open all year for a constant food source. So we have a high population of nesting birds here, but that population will dramatically increase during the winter months, because we're getting a lot of those birds from northern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, southern Canada. Because all that water freezes out there, they're just moving a little farther south to where that food opportunity is. So on that map that's on the floor that you probably walked on to get in here, big map that's on the floor out there, we know about 40